This is really cool. All the guitars I've worked on over time, I have never seen this before. This top-mounted tremolo that Ibanez has on this guitar, this is a Roadstar 2, by the way. These flip up, which is kind of annoying when there's no strings in it because they all just fall down when the guitar's upside down. But these just flip up, and the ball end of the string just catches underneath this front claw, and you just put the thing back down, and when you put the string over and put tension on it, it automatically holds it down in place the way that it should. By the way, I have to laugh that the strings that were on this that came from the shop that I'm working on this for are like GHS strings that are probably a decade old. They're in good shape, and I'm going to use them because I'd much rather use what I was given than whatever I have in stock, which I think right now is actually nothing. But that's just a really cool design. I've never seen that before, and it works really well. And at first I thought maybe it was going to be difficult, but actually it's really quite simple, and this is pretty neat. Alright, finishing out this very long video. Sorry for the lights. There's lights everywhere down here, so you just get that glare. I don't know what year this is. I didn't look it up. Very, very cool Ibanez Roadstar 2. As you can see from all the video I took before this thing needed a lot of work. It was really, really nasty. The frets were super worn, had lots of divots, so it needed a full level recrown polish. The fretboard itself was pretty nasty and chunked up, so I did a little bit of sanding on the clear in between and polishing that up. It had one mismatched tuner. The one that I found in my stash is not exactly the same. It's the one on the very end, but it's pretty close and it works. Just had to clean the body up a bunch. It's still not perfect. There's still scratches all over the back, but I at least got it polished up nicely. I do have a back cover for this. Somebody else made it. I made this back cover. It looks really good. Unfortunately, when I was putting this screw in, it cracked. Honestly, I'm probably going to leave it. The shop that this is going to, the guy does deals. It didn't have one. Well, you saw in the beginning, the one that was on there was just absolute garbage. This is at least, you know, covering everything. Honestly, I just don't want to make another one. but it plays absolutely phenomenally. The action came down super great. I just figured I'd play a little bit of it for you. woke up this morning. I forgotten how to play guitar well. Anyway, super happy with how this came out. He's got a bill with me for this one. It was quite a bit of work, but it's playing great. I've got the trem set up awesome. It's got 9 to 42s on it right now, which are tiny, but they're kind of shreddery. And this guitar could definitely do some shredding with that one humbucker back here. So, pretty damn happy with how it came out. This is definitely one of the cooler guitars that I've worked on. So, anyway, thanks for sticking with me for fucking almost 10 minutes. Have an awesome day. Bye.